Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In last video, I have explained how Sumif function will work. In this video, I'm going to explain how Sumifs function will work in Excel. For example, I have some data which is having product information, company information, and quality, which is nothing but 3 star, 5 star, 2 star, and quantity. Now, I want to get a total quantity based on the product, company, and quality. How we can achieve that? We can achieve it by using a sumif s function. By using a sumif function, we can only check one condition and criteria. But when it comes to sumif s function, we can check a multiple conditions and multiple criterias. What is sumif s? It adds the cells specified by a given set of conditions or criteria. If you see the syntax here, sumif s, we need to give a sum range, which is nothing but what do you want to summarize. So I want to summarize my quantity. In this sum range, you have to give this column, and then you need to mention a criteria range 1 and criteria range 2, so on. Here you can give either a single condition and criteria, or you can give a multiple conditions and criterias. Let's write a sumifs function here. So first we need to give here sum range. So I'm going to give, this is my sum range. Next we need to give a criteria range 1. So now I'm going to give a range. In this range, my criteria is product, which is nothing but AC or fridge. This is the condition 1, comma, and I'm going to give a second condition and criteria. My second condition is on company, so I'm selecting that company range here, and then criteria. Again, what is the criteria here? So I'm going to give a my company criteria. So I'm going to give a third condition and third criteria now. So what is my third criteria? I want to check it on a quality. So I'm going to give this range. In that range, what is my criteria? Whatever I have mentioned here. When you press enter, it will give you the total quantity. How it is checking? You need to understand how it is checking. So it is checking all these three conditions and criterias. So how it is checking? For example, in product column, the product should be AC. In company column, company should be ABC, and in quality, star should be a 3-star rating. For example, let's filter here. Let's see AC, ABC 3, let's count how many are there. So here I found 1. So any other? No. So nothing other is there with satisfying this criteria. So total quantity is 5. Here it is giving the total quantity. If you want to check, you can just change this to 3. So now this is a second, it satisfies the second. So now 30 plus 5, total is a 35. This is how sumifs function will work. Thank you.